6 hours later.
Oh, I got it. No, this is cheating. Don't go. You don't do that. You'll do better.
Let's see. How much have you got? Okay, not bad, not bad. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You are hitting those thousands.
Aww. Oh, yes.
You're a pro.
I am a pro. Foul.
That's it? How much did you score?
28,000.
Base 28,000?
Yep. Come here. No, it's okay. It's okay. No. No, you have to turn that way. You're a good girl. Hey guys, so yesterday was officially the first day of summer because I was done with my spring term. Finally, I don't know why I took 2 courses, but I've successfully finished them. Hopefully I passed. But yesterday we just went to a restaurant and then we went to an arcade. It was kind of fun, but today I just wanted to spend some time just by myself. Not exactly by myself because I will be going with a friend, but I just wanted to do something very calm where I'm not like, moving around or doing anything. Just sitting in the park, reading, writing, and maybe painting and spending some time with Irie without worrying about anything else because she really deserves it. But in the morning we did have a photo shoot, me and Irie, and I will be posting them on my Instagram, so you guys should definitely follow. The background noises is my puppy. She found something and she's just playing with it, and she went upstairs, so I can't really take it from her right now, but it's still very loud. But today we did have a photo shoot. It was our first photo shoot and the photos turned out amazing, and I will be posting them soon on my Instagram, and you guys should definitely follow me. And other than that, after we came back, I was just super tired because I've been waking up early in the morning every day because of the finals. So I finally slept for like 4 hours, and then I worked on my internship stuff and I finished that as well. I might have to work on it again, but it's 4:30 right now and I will be meeting my friend at 5:30, but I already got ready because she said she might be a little early, and so we're really excited, me and Irie, I'm excited to finally spend some time with Irie without actually worrying about anything else because she really deserves it. I love her so much and she loves me so much, and I can't wait for that, and we'll see you guys soon.
6 hours later.
Well, you're in Victoria? Yeah, she's gonna be with my parents.
Yeah, and then when you go camping,
She's gonna come with us. Me and Irie are gonna go back home right now because it's just really windy and I didn't really get a chance to vlog when my friend was here because it just started getting cloudy and we were just talking and then it just started raining, so she went back to her place and me and Irie are gonna head back as well. And honestly, we weren't expecting this weather because the weather app clearly said that it was gonna be really sunny today, and then all of a sudden it just started raining. But Irie's being really naughty because I think it's because she's been really tired because we've been in the photo shoot in the morning and she didn't get her sleep in the morning, and although she did sleep in the afternoon, she needs more sleep because she's a puppy. So we're gonna head back home now. I don't really like the way that this day has turned out to be because I've had high expectations. I wanted to do some stuff. I wanted to plan for the summer. I know I can still do it at my home, but I don't know. I just wanted to spend some time outdoors. I haven't done it in a really long time, but I guess I'll just have to do it at home right now. All I want to do is I just want to read a book. I'm thinking of reading The Four Agreements, which I started a month ago but still didn't finish. And after that, I might start planning for my pageant. And if you guys don't know, I'll be competing in a pageant this August. It's Miss Personality Canada, and you guys should totally follow me on Instagram to get more updates about it. And I'm just gonna chill for some time. I'll watch Netflix and eat pizza. Just have some me time today because tomorrow we'll be going hiking. And it's gonna be Irie's first hike, and then on Sunday I will just start actually doing stuff, preparing for my pageant, preparing like a lot of stuff. We're going to Victoria on next week, actually on Wednesday, so I have to prepare for that too. I have to book a lot of stuff. I have to book hotels, I have to book some stuff, and that's gonna take up my time today as well. No, Irie! Okay, we got back home and I ordered pizza, and in the meantime I'm just gonna plan my summer. I'm gonna plan all the places that I want to visit and all the hikes that I want to go on, and also my pageant preparation, which is really important because I really need to start preparing. I've only been working on my podcast for a while. Oh, by the way, I will be starting a podcast really soon. It's called We, and I'm really excited about it, and I have a guest list, and some of them are gonna be on my show, and they're really good people. Some of them are like really popular on Instagram and everything, and I can't wait to interview them and launch my podcast. So I've got like a lot of stuff to do for like the next 2 months, and I'm really excited for it.
You know what? I think a student should lead the investigation. Teens don't want a narc to remove. I'll take a fit.
The next day.
Sit. Come here. Shake. Good girl. Here. Shake. Come here. Shake. Good girl. Come here. Sit. Good girl. Come here. Sit. Sit. Shake. Shake. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Good girl. You're shaking. That's enough. Sit. Good girl. Shake. Shake.
A few moments later.